Next problem is number 12, and number 12 is bill of materials problem. Now we are supposed to draw, first question is develop a product structure tree or bill of material tree. Now what we need to do is to first draw the bill of material tree in a rough fashion, and then we will finish it. Okay, and I'll let you know why in just a second. So the product itself is A, so we start with A. Okay, now A is made up of a base, two springs, so we have a base, and then spring C. Okay, we need two of those, so we put a 2 as a subscript, and that is how many we need for A, and then we need 4 clamps, and that is D. Okay, the base is assembled with one clamp. See here, one clamp. Now see, the D appears in two different places, so this D should really come down to this level. So we need to revise this, and that's why we need to do a rough estimate first, and then we'll finish it up. Okay, and 2 housing E. So E, we need 2. Each clamp has one handle, so that is D is clamp, so each clamp has one handle F and one casting G. Okay, now each housing, okay, housing is E, each housing has 2 bearings H and one shaft is I. Okay, now D has already been described as 1F and 1G, so here also it should be 1F and 1G, but except that the D should come down to this level. So let's redraw this bill of material and we'll finish. Okay, now let's draw this rough bill of material in the proper way, putting D in the same level as this one. So we start with A. Okay, put a box around it. Okay, so we need B, C, and D for that. So I think that should be sufficient. Okay, so we have B. Okay, and C. Now below B is D and E. Okay, so we have D, and that's 1. And here, of course, C is, we need 2 of those. And here we have 2 of E is needed. Okay, now below D, we have like that, F and G, so we need F and G, one of each. Now below E, well, made a mess of this a little bit. below E we need 2 of H and 1 I. On this side we have D, so now D, we'll have to bring D down all the way there, so that this D and that D will be in the same level. So 4, okay, and then of course we have F and G. Well, I made a mess again. Yeah, so in the same level, F and G. So forget about that and that. So here we have the bill of materials or product structure tree. So this is level 0, level 1, and then we have level 2 and level 3. So the items in each level are: level 0 is A, level 1 or B and C, level 2 or D and E, okay, and then level 3 or F, G, H and I. So we need, when we do the processing, we need to process in this order. It so happens it is in alphabetical order, and that's just a coincidence.